Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a webhook. First, let's understand what a webhook is. Imagine an automated messenger that instantly tells another application when something important occurs. Webhooks are essentially user-defined HTTP callbacks triggered by events. They deliver real-time data to a specific URL, acting as a push notification system between different services. This allows for immediate updates and seamless integration, making your applications more dynamic and responsive. Next, you need to set up the receiving end, known as your webhook endpoint. This is essentially a URL where the webhook data will be sent. You'll write a small piece of code, perhaps in Python or Node.js, to create a server that listens for incoming HTTP post requests. This server will process the data it receives. Remember, for external services to reach it, your endpoint must be publicly accessible, or you can use a service like ngrok for local development. Once your endpoint is ready, the next step is to configure the source application. This is the service that will actually send the webhook. Navigate to its settings, usually under an integrations or webhooks section. Here, you will paste the unique URL of your endpoint. Crucially, you'll also specify which events should trigger the webhook. For example, you might want a webhook sent every time a new user signs up or an order is placed, ensuring you only receive relevant data. Finally, let's talk about processing the data and ensuring security. When your endpoint receives a webhook, it will contain a payload, often in JSON format. Your code needs to parse this data to extract the relevant information. For security, always verify the sender using a secret key or signature provided by the sending service. This prevents malicious requests. After successful processing, it's vital to send an HTTP 200 OK status back to the sender, acknowledging that you received the webhook successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.